able to, well, like this was just like a very low key and informal thing. Like food share, they had extra seedlings and they often give seedlings to community gardening groups after like whatever surplus that they have. And we were able to connect with them and get a lot of seedlings secured. So that was really great. I would just think that donating time or resources to help with like the upkeep of these projects would be great as well. There's not necessarily an order to them, and maybe that's something that I can work on myself, but it's just about letting people know that these places exist and that you can take part in any form of growing there. Four companies alone control over 60% of the global seed market, and these same companies, I believe, control 70% of the global pesticide market. Just being able to, yeah, like raise awareness about that through like something as small as like a seed library and just share the practice of like seed saving, which goes into like bigger conversations about food sovereignty and like community care and like ecological care is really important. I think what I like about like food too is that like you can meet people with where they're at, because sometimes it's just about having like fresh food, and sometimes it goes beyond that and it's very like deeply connected to just like care for the earth. It's really good that you can just meet people with where they are at in their food journey, and like they'll just grow and further learn.